the movie She. The script is written by Imtiaz Ali, and it talks about a constable who was employed to track down Sasya and the gang who were instrumental in getting drugs supplied and basically heroin and cocaine to Mumbai from abroad. So it was a big racket which had to be tracked down, and this was the only way by which cops thought it would be feasible. It would be, and then she was actually had to transform herself as a call girl so that she could go and meet Sasya. But here I beg to differ. How can a constable let go of her self-respect and dignity? And in fact, when she took this role, she almost became like a call girl, because in between she was told she was fired from the job. This was also just a fake thing, and then she had to sustain the family, and then she started attracting guys. I mean, she had that kind of mind. She thought that maybe now she can sleep around and get money for mother who is ailing and all that. But do you think it happens in reality that a constable will agree to let go of her respect and just go and just for catching the criminal, you will just disguise? I don't think so. So in the first episode they are showing this, that she agrees, and in the second episode they have shown that she actually gets through and she tracks them down, and she is successful. But one thing where I thought that the direction is weak, she was married to a guy who used to bully her. Being a constable, you need to have that kind of personality. How can you just get bullied by a simple man whose name was Lokhande, and he was married to this constable for 4 years, and they were about to get divorced, and whenever she used to meet him, he used to threaten her and she used to get threatened. In this kind of scenario, a constable with this weak you can say demeanor, it's not possible for a constable to be so feeble. So here she should have been strong, and she should have reprimanded him instead of once he told that put your eyes down, and she actually did. Was she a constable, or was she just a normal homemaker or somebody who always stays at home? So she was trained well, and the mission was successful. And there was also a bigger guy more than Sasya. He was the kingpin, so he also had to be tracked down. 4 stars.